Right. Duh, duh, duh. Look what we have here. Okay, and I've got a nice little bag of these. Okay, these teeny little things are 5.5 volt supercapacitors. Look how small that is. And would you believe it that basically that one, compared to the electrolytic, this big electrolytic, this has 25 times more energy this can store than this. Okay, so pretty phenomenal in size reduction, if you can actually see. Okay, beautiful things, and you can put these in two in series, and you put them in parallel and all sorts of stuff. They're great. These are bloody great things. Okay, moving on to the other supercapacitors. Okay, so that has 25 times more than that one you've seen running. Okay, and then this one here, this one has what is it? That's four. Oh, this is 100 farads. Yes, this is 4 farads, and this is 100 farads. Okay, so that's 25 times more energy. But it's a lower voltage. It's 2.7, so it's 12.5 times more energy than that one. And then this one here, this beefy thing, that has 5 times more energy than that one. So I think that's like got over 125 times more energy than this. Okay, this electrolytic. Okay, so you know what I mean. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate this one. Okay, this little baby on here. Okay, on this absolutely beautiful, and we can have it in our hand. Here we are. We can. This is a little thing, a little prototype module in the hand. All these parts can be very compact if it's properly sorted up into a proper little lantern or light or something. Okay, and we're going to be powering this thing off here and see how long it lasts. Right, okay. Now, these take up to 5.5 volts, okay, and just for the sake of ease for my hands, because normally it would be powered from the thermoelectric generator, but we're going to do it with this at the moment. Okay, so this is exactly 5 volts, right, and then what we're going to do is plug that in like so. Okay, so we're going to kind of charge that up and then take it away, right? Now, supercapacitors are a lot slower to charge than the electrolytic. Electrolytic can be instant, whereas this actually takes a few seconds to charge up, and then it's up to about a couple of minutes until it's finally charged. But from a thermoelectric generator, where you kind of leave it for a couple of minutes on, it's absolutely perfect for it. Okay, so let's connect it up. Right, here we go. Right, straight away, on we go. And you can see what happens is basically that is the capacitor actually charging up at the moment. Okay, as that thing goes down. If we just that's really bright light as well. If we just take that out, so we've disconnected the circuit, and now it's purely charging that capacitor up. Okay, and you can see it's 120 milliamps at the moment and going down, which is way lower than basically this puts out, which can put out up to 600 milliamps. Okay, so it's all very grand. So if we were, we could charge things in a variety of ways, but as I said, it's this kind of time delay we have. But as I said, when you've got it on a pan, it'll be no problem. I think for these kind of ones here, these bigger ones here, then 5 minutes, should charge those up to max. But as I said, we have we have over 100 times the amount of energy. But for some reason, these work a hell of a lot better, these supercapacitors, than the electrolytic. I'm finding there's something really special with this circuit. So I'm just going to end this now.